Welcome everyone to another episode of me opening AliExpress Dollar Express deals. Let's get straight into it and see what I got this time. All right here. This is something that I got before. This is the light bar. It's detects motion. Uh, I put these outside in front of my door. When I go to work at night, it's still dark and it'll be something. I have something that I can see where I put my keys in. So, but yeah, I got these before. Pretty simple. Let me open it and I'll show you real quick. This one does appear to be different from what I got before. The packages seems longer. The packaging, I mean. But it does look the same thing. It's just the package is longer. So, but there it goes. It's 30 centimeters or about a foot long, 12 inches. Pretty simple. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's right there. And then I put it on auto. I forgot which one's auto. But yeah, let's just, I would say, put it in the middle and then see if it goes off. But this one right here, it was listed at $1.39, $1.39 for this. And it's supposed to go on, with the motion, but maybe I'm wrong or it needs to be charged up first. But yeah, it's just an extra piece that I got. Next up is, I believe I know what this is to the shape of it. There it is. It's basically a, they call it a garage hook or hanger. And I, believe it or not, I'm gonna be using this for something else that pertains to my Jeep bed rack. Just imagine just putting this as a, I wouldn't say a holder, but for at least a brace. I'm planning to put the gas cans on there, and this would have, basically the gas can is gonna be hold up only by those locks, those rotate round locks, and this one is just a brace to help hold the gas can, in bumpy conditions. But yeah, it's right, steel plate right here is pretty good. Let's see the magnetic. Let's see how. Oh, ouch! Pinch me right there. But yeah, as you can see, the steel is pretty strong. Wow. All right. So there you go. As you can see, I got a set of 4 of these, but they sell it by piece. They were $3.10 each. $3.10 each. Not too bad. I've been looking for these, and especially this one right here. I believe it's about 5 inches wide, and my gas can is about 4 and a little bit over 4.5 inches wide. So definitely it'll sit on top of it. I'll get a set of them for each side. I got 2 gas cans, and just imagine holding it up like this. So there you go, $3.19. I got 4 of these each. Pretty cool. Right there, there, and there. So I got 4 of them. I'm not gonna open them. One of them's already open. All right, next up is this. Oh, this one is, I thought it would be in a better bag or a box or something, but no. This one is, I believe, I got 20 pieces of black nitro gloves. Basically, use it for, when I'm working on my car, just gloves when I'm doing, oil change or something. So this would be a, you know, good use for, it's almost like mechanic gloves, but, of course, it's not thick or anything. It's just they call it nitro gloves, disposable nitro gloves, 20 pieces or 10 pairs. So I got them in medium, should fit me just right. There you go, just simple nitro gloves. These were going for 20 pieces at $1.89, $1.89. I figured I'd just get them and use them, put them in my car, just in case when I need to put on the gloves so my hand won't get too greasy or oily. All right, next up is this one right here. It is called a car bicycle slot handle tire valve stem core remover, or basically a stem core kit. Uh, if you know about your tires, like on your car, for my particular one, my Jeep, these are valve stem cores. A lot of times they get damaged or something, when you're airing down or airing up your tires frequently, and uh, when you put the valve, whatever, the air pump connector onto there, and sometimes it can get damaged or broken, these right here, and or you get a little bit of pebble, rocks, dirt or something in there, and gets caught and it damages the valve and you get air leak. So this kit right here helps out. This is recommended to have in your repair kit, when you go out on a trail and everything, just in case when you try to air back your tires, you're getting an air leak and it's coming from the valve itself. So there it is. This one right here, this kit is $1.79, $1.79 for a full kit with extra valve stems. This one right here is the screw, or where your cap goes on, but sometimes your cap is damaged, and the thread. This one is basically rethreading or cleaning up the thread. So that's pretty cool. And then it comes with extra valve caps. And then this is the valve stem remover tool and installer tool. And as far as in the other piece, I don't know what that is, but I guess I'll figure it out. Or it might be your valve stem cutter, or valve thread cutter, something like that. But yeah, $1.79 for this kit, just to have it in your repair kit tool. Pretty cool. Next up is let's look at this piece right here, since it's just landed in my hand. This one right here is a pretty simple rocker crowbar, mini crowbar. Pretty neat device. I wish I actually had this earlier, when I was trying to pry a clamp that was holding on my brake lines. I was trying to remove the brake lines away from uh, my what do you call it? Control arms. Yeah, on my Jeep, and I needed something to pry that clamp open, and this would have worked great right here to just pry it and twist it and bend it. Yeah, the mini crowbar. This one right here, $1.79 for. Let's see the steel content. Wow, guys, look at that. Ugh. All right, there you go. Next up, let's see what this long thing is. No, it's not a toy. I'm over that. I just use my hands instead. Well, I wouldn't say just kidding, but yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna get into it. I messed up myself. This one right here is a tire crevices, rock, pebbles, whatever, stone remover. As you can see, I am in need of this. I just went on a trail, and then my tires, they're mud terrain tires, and they have all these, rocks inside the crevices and everything. This one right here is a tool to help remove the um, rocks away from your tire threads. You could simply use a flathead screwdriver or something, but you got to be careful with those. You can easily puncture your own tires with just a regular screwdriver, but this one right here is made to go uh, in the threads, and just pluck out those pesky rocks. And the thing is, you're supposed to remove those rocks, because at times when you're driving, especially at high speeds, those rocks can fly out of your tire and hit other people. So, well, yeah. So this is recommended to be in the toolkit, just to clean out your tire thread. This one right here was listed at, I believe, $2.19. $2.19 for this. Pretty simple. And for me, I get in the habit of testing the metal. So interestingly, the tip of this is, I believe, some sort of other alloy. Maybe they did it so it won't create any electrical whatever thing, but as you can see, it's not there, but the metal is right there, the steel. All right, interesting. Okay, I believe this may be the last item. Let's double check. Yes, it is. All right, this last item here comes in a nice case, and I believe I know what it is. Let's open it with it. Hopefully nothing just falls out. Okay, maybe like this way. There you go. There it is, guys. It's basically a puncture tire repair kit. The reason I say puncture tire is not meant for, if your tire had a blowout and, deep gash into it. This is only meant for usually, puncture tires with nails, screws, small bits. This kit right here comes with two of them. This one is for these rubber, I don't know what they call it, rubber plugs or something, but yeah, you put it between this thread right here. It's just like threading a sewing needle. You put the thread in and then push it in, not twist it in, but push it in into the hole. And this tool right here is basically, it looks like a screwdriver, screw tip. Basically, you find your hole, find a nail or screw hole, and then I believe I'm gonna research more on how to use this, but as you can see, there's a plug right here. I'm not sure if it's a twist plug, and I'm not sure if this is the tool for it, but these are basically screw-in twist plug. It has, I believe, the rubberized tip, and then you screw it in like a I don't actually, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is not the tool for this. This is just to find a hole and then make the hole penetrable for these two. And this one right here has actually Phillips screwdriver head tops, so you can take the screwdriver, Phillips, and just screw in the plug. For this is for, I guess, small or thin hole plugs. I don't know. I'm just mumbling. This is the first time I had a kit like this, so I gotta research on how to use it. But yeah, this should be in your repair kit also. This one right here, this kit, everything that you saw in there is only $5.06. $5.06 for this tire repair kit. Whole repair kit. All right, guys, there it is. Let's see if I can make it presentable, but I guess that'll look all right. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.